Alright, so I have the unit on, and isn't she gorgeous? Like, the wave pattern is so pretty. It's just like a very nice beach wave curl that I like a lot. And this was such a quick and easy wig to just throw on my hair. I really didn't do a whole lot to it. The only thing I did was I put some of my concealer in the parting space, and I used my pro concealer, and then I also used my powder concealer to go over the part. And then the lace had a bit of like light colored lace, so you could kind of see it against my scalp. So I went in with my eyeshadow in a dark brown color and just went in over the lace part right there. And I also used my mascara to kind of cover up the white part of the lace because it was showing up against my my forehead. And then I also used this Curl and Wavy spray. It's a curl conditioning defining conditioner and detangler, so it's safe for synthetic hair. And then I also used a little bit of my Got to Be Free spray just to tame away some of the flyaways around my face. And other than that, that's all I did. So I think this unit is really cute and pretty. It's affordable. It's a nice brown color. It feels very soft, and I have not experienced any shedding or anything. So one thing I can tell you about Aisi Queens is that their hair, it does not, like, it doesn't shed. I'm like really pulling, and look, nothing's come out. So anyway, I thank you guys so much for watching my video. Thank you again, Aisi Queens, for sponsoring this video. I absolutely love you guys, and I love all of your wigs that you guys have. And also, if you've made it this far in the video, please don't forget to thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe. And if you're not subscribed, what are you waiting on? So go ahead and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys later.